In this video, we'll show you how to get your tax compliance report online. If you're still filing your taxes, check out our affiliate links in the description for free Tax USA and TurboTax. Now, let's walk you through the process. To start, go to the website irs.gov. Then click on the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the screen. On this page, you can choose the type of IRS account you want to sign into. In this video, we are going to sign in with our individual account. Click on the option that says Sign In to Individual Account. Since we already have an existing account, click on the option that says Sign In with ID.me. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Sign In. To complete your sign in, you have to verify your identification first. From the options provided, click on the multi-factor authentication method you wish to choose. In this video, we chose to receive a code via text message. Click on the option you wish to choose. If you also chose to receive the code via text message, enter the 6-digit code given on the field provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Records and Status. Then, on the drop-down list, click on the option that says Tax Records. Under Tax Records, you will see a section for Tax Compliance Report. Click on the button that says Get Report. Now you will see your tax compliance report. To download, simply click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's how you get your tax compliance report online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.